All right, welcome back. So we're gonna try example number 5. In this problem, we're gonna set up a real life logarithm model problem, and we're gonna use calculus to solve the problem. So let's say we have a winter fund company that has determined that the total cost in dollars for its West Coast factory to produce blazing blue snowmobiles is given by the function c of x equals 2400 plus 300 times the natural log of the quantity 3x plus 1, where x is the number of blazing blue snowmobiles produced. They want us to find the marginal cost for this problem, right? Um, so what we're going to do here is we're going to find the derivative, right? We're going to find the derivative of this. And the derivative of this is going to be c of x, right? This is the original problem. So find the derivative of this, and the derivative of this happens to be the derivative of a constant, right, is 0. So for this part, this is a constant multiple rule, so the constant is being multiplied to a function, so we carry the constant and multiply by the derivative of this function. Because this is a natural log of x, the derivative of natural log of x, a friendly reminder, if you have a function inside, it's going to be 1 over its inside times, right, the derivative of the inside. So having said that, we're going to have the derivative natural log of 3x plus 1 will be 1 over the inside. Remember, that's your inside always, right? Multiplied by the derivative of the inside. There you go. All right, so we're going to go ahead and simplify that. This is actually the derivative. Now we're just going to finish by taking the derivative of that part. The derivative of 3x plus 1. The derivative of the first term is just 3. The derivative of 1 is 0, so we don't carry that one. So pretty much all we have is this, right? So we can imagine that we have a 1 underneath, so we always multiply numerators with numerators, denominators with denominators, right? So therefore we have that c prime of x is going to be 300 times 1 times 3 is 900 all over 3x plus 1. And then so this is our prime function. Now the goal is to find in the next part is to find the marginal cost when 225 blazing blue snowmobiles are produced. That is, find c prime of 225. Enter your answer as a fraction or a decimal to round it to 5 decimal places. So let's go ahead and jump in. So all we gotta do here is replace every x with 225, right? So where we see an x, we're gonna replace it with 225, and then we can compute this, saying, okay, well 900 is 900, and 3 times 225 is going to be 675, plus 1 is 676. Right, so that's our answer, right? You could also try to approximate this, right? 1.3316 by putting this in your calculator. 36. Right, and then you're gonna round this to 5 decimal places, so it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then test the previous one, so because that number is less than 5, this is roughly going to be 1.33136. There you go. And so either one will be proper in this example. So, and that's pretty much it. So what I want to conclude with this section is saying that a lot of the things that we've done before in previous chapters can be applied with these new logarithms and exponential functions, right? So